Losing customers to faulty products is simply unacceptable. Hi, I'm Evan Bauer, and today I'd like to talk to you about why Edelmann Elite Hard Parts and Edelmann DNA is so important to the health of your customer's power steering system. So first, what exactly is Edelmann DNA? Edelmann DNA is short for Designated Numeric Asset and is a unique number that's printed and visible on each part. Since all of our parts are 100% new and tested, we then pair the DNA from the physical part with its actual production test report. These test reports come directly inside each box so that your customer can view firsthand the performance specs of the product and also have peace of mind that it's completely defect-free. These test reports take out any question of simply receiving a bad part, which is so vital in a category that's often plagued with faulty remanufactured product. With faulty product leading to a second or even third replacement of the same part, your customers may even begin to lose trust and faith in not only that product line, but the channel in which they receive the part. This is so important, as this can drive customers back to the OE and out of reach of the next sale. Turning bays is such a critical focus of these shops, so reducing comebacks is vital. With the DNA advantage, you can maintain that faith in your power steering products and give customers the peace of mind and the quality products they deserve. So now that we've talked about what DNA is and what it means to the installer and shop, what does it mean for the distributor? Let's talk a little bit about product returns and warranty abuse. Oftentimes, you may receive product returns or warranty that isn't even your product. This can sometimes be my mistake, but other times directly to take advantage of the distributor. This fraud is a huge deal because it not only affects your profitability, but also can waste hours of time uncovering the issue. We've seen countless times product returns show up only to later be identified as lower grade, less expensive parts. By the time it's identified, it's too late or often disputed. This takes money right out of the pockets of your business, but also leads to loss of valuable time. With Edelmann DNA, that problem is no longer. Because our parts come distinctly identified, you can quickly detect the fraud and put an end to it before affecting your business. Our DNA is the base for which not only we identify our product, but also how you can keep yourself protected from fraudulent activity. We are very excited about Edelmann Elite power steering parts and how we are helping to revolutionize the power steering market with innovations like Edelmann DNA. We look forward to partnering with you to grow your business while also reducing your warranties and returns. Thank you for listening.